In this video from Device Doctor, we will fix a common problem with Epson L Series printers. Sometimes some colors print very light or don't print at all. If you have this problem, watch the whole video. We will show you how to fix it step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Our customer's Epson L6170 printer is experiencing a color issue. To start, we'll perform a nozzle check to find out which colors are weak or missing. In the nozzle check, we can see that only the black color is printing correctly. The other three colors, magenta, cyan, and yellow, are completely missing. This clearly shows that there is a serious issue with the color system. Epson L printers have color problems because 1. The printer is not used for a long time, so ink dries. 2. Air gets inside the ink tubes. 3. Some filters get blocked. 4. Cleaning too much uses up ink or breaks pressure. 5. Using bad ink blocks the printer. Now turn off the printer and unplug it from the power outlet. Lift the printer's scanner cover, then move the printhead to the center. Remove the plastic cover on top of the dumpers. It's very easy. Now carefully take out all 4 dumpers. It's an easy job, but be careful not to spill any ink. Now, using a large 50 cc syringe, draw about 1 cc of ink from each damper. You can get syringes like this from pharmacies. Keep the caps of all 4 ink tanks open. One by one, remove the air from each dumper. Filter them carefully. You only need to pull out 1 or 2 cc of ink from each damper. That's enough. Put the dumpers back in place. Just make sure each damper goes in the correct spot. Now open the waste ink section from the back of the printer. Remove the waste ink system, and using a syringe, pull out a few cc of ink from the tube that goes into the waste tank. Now, place the waste ink system back in its position and securely close the cover. Now, connect the power cable and turn on the printer. After turning on the printer, it will automatically do cleaning for about 3 to 5 minutes. If it doesn't start cleaning by itself, do a manual cleaning one time. As long as the power button is blinking, the cleaning process is not finished yet. After the cleaning process is finished, do a nozzle check to see if there is any improvement in the colors and whether the cleaning helped or not. As you can see on the test page, the blue and yellow colors have returned, but the red color is still missing. Now, just run the cleaning process one more time. If the problem is completely fixed, that's great. If not, we need to clean the printhead using special cleaning solution.